Well, hello, my little artists. My name is Miss Cat with Comic Kids, and today we are going to be doing a really cute drawing. We are going to be drawing this baby koala holding a piece of bamboo. She is so sweet and cute. You guys are going to love drawing her. So all that you're going to need is a paper, pencil, and something to color with. So let's go ahead and get those supplies ready. And don't forget, if you like doing comic and cartoon drawings, make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you can see more videos like these. Let's go ahead and get started drawing this adorable koala.
Teaching kids art through comics, cartoons, and books. Comic Kids.
Okay, my friends, we are going to draw an adorable baby koala today. I'm going to find the center of my paper. I'm going to show you some of the colors I'm going to be using a little bit later. Some gray, green, black, and pink. Let's go ahead and find the center, and I'm going to start by drawing my adorable baby koala's head. The shape is kind of like an oval, so I'm going to come over and I'm going to do the first part of the head like this, kind of like a half of an oval. And then when I do the bottom part, I'm going to make it a little flatter, but not too flat, but just a little bit flatter. So I'm going to come back over here and kind of do a little bit of a flatter line like that. See how it's not like a perfect oval? Very good, my friends. All right, we have the beginning of our drawing. Awesome. I'm going to go ahead and start to get our character's ears done next. Let's come up on this side and draw that adorable big koala ear. Now this is a baby, so we're going to have really big ears on this little girl over here. The way I'm going to start is by doing a wave. This is because she's got a hairy ear, so I'm coming up over and I'm doing a little wave. And then the rest of my ear is going to be a semicircle, a portion of a circle, and then I'm going to come back to the body. That's just to show that she has a little bit of hair on her ears. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. So I'm going to start in the same area. I'm going to come up and do a little bit of a wave. Back in, just like that. And then once again, do a semicircle and come back around to our character's head. So I'm going to come back over, come back up, and stop. Very good, friends. All right, we are going to finish up these ears, and the way we're going to do that is I'm going to come more towards the bottom of the ear. Let me show you. And I'm going to do the inside part of her ear. Now you see how there's more space up here than there is down here, so I do another little semicircle. Later, I'm going to be coloring that in pink and this gray. So I'm going to come and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Remember, I'm going to drop it a little bit lower, and then I'm going to do a semicircle here and bring it back. Very good, my friends. All right, everyone, we're going to create our character's space now. So I kind of want you to get sort of towards the center of your little squishy oval, and we are going to do a nose. Let me show you what the shape is. It's not exactly the center. It's kind of like the center and then a little bit lower. So here we go. I'm just going to explain this shape. So it's a little narrower at the top, and then it kind of comes out a little. And inside her nose, I'm going to do a little semicircle like that. Later, I am going to color in her nose black, except for that one area where I did that bubble. I am not going to color that part in. I'm going to leave it white so it looks like her nose is shiny. Very good. Okay, everyone, let's get to the bottom of our koala's nose here, and we're going to do two curved lines that are her mouth. So I came from the bottom of the nose over on one side, and then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Very good. Awesome. It almost looks a little bit like she has a mustache. Very good, my friends. After we do that, we're going to come and give her a tiny, teeny weeny little tongue. And we just do that by doing a little curved line that connects from this side of the mouth to that. Awesome. When we're doing cute little drawings like this, we want to draw our character's eyes pretty big. So I'm going to come over to the side of my koala's nose, and I'm going to just right around here, right around there, I'm going to create a circle. And it's going to be a little bit big on the bigger side. You see what I did? And where I put it in relation to her nose? Very good. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So I'm gonna come over, I'm gonna find that same area that I did it, and I'm gonna do the same size circle on this side of her face. Very good, friends. She is so cute already, and we are gonna make her even cuter. That same little bubble that we did in the nose, I wanna do those in the eyes as well. I'm gonna do a little circle up here. That's what I call the shiny bubble. I'm not gonna be coloring that in later. Okay, my friends, we're gonna do another bubble on this side. Remember, we're not gonna color this in. Later, we're gonna leave that white. And I'm gonna do 2 more. I'm gonna come to the bottom of this eye over here, and I'm gonna do 1 more bubble like that. See what I just did? Little line, and the same thing over here. Awesome. So the only part I'm actually gonna be coloring in later is this little part in the middle, but those 2 little kind of semicircles that I did and on the nose, leave them white. Okay, friends, you are doing great. Let's go ahead and get started drawing our little baby koala's body. So she's gonna be sitting down, and it's such a cute little pose. I absolutely love this character. Let's start drawing her little arms. So I'm gonna come from the bottom of her head right here, and I'm gonna kind of do a little bit of a curved line and then come back up. It almost looks like a hook. You see that? That is her arm and her paw. It's a very simple line, and we're gonna just leave it like that. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this side, but the paw, the long line is on this side and the short line is on this side. So it's kind of like a mirror image. So I'm gonna come from over here. I'm gonna do the same little shape that I just did. Curve it a little bit, and there you have it, her 2 front paws. Excellent. Okay, friends, so the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna come to the bottom of our little koala's little paw over here, and we are gonna draw a piece of bamboo. And I want our koala to be holding the bamboo. So I did a little portion of a rectangle right there in the paw, and then I'm going to, don't draw the line over the paw, but we're gonna do a little piece, like a little branch of bamboo that our little baby koala is holding. I don't mind if you do it a little bit wavy. It looks more like a tree that way. Very good. So you see he's just holding a tiny little piece of bamboo, and then we're gonna draw some very simple shaped leaves over here. So I just did a little curvy line that has a point, and I'm going to do 3 of those here. So kind of like this cute little teardrop shape. Another one, and then I'm going to do 1 over here. So our little koala is holding a cute piece of bamboo. All right, friends, we are actually almost done. I'm just gonna draw her little feet sticking out because she's kind of just sitting there with her little back feet gonna be sticking out on either side of her paw. So the way I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna come up kind of to the middle area here, and I'm just gonna draw a little foot that curves over and looks like that. See that little curve? It almost looks like the letter C. Very good. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So I'm gonna try not to run into my bamboo, but I wanna draw her little tiny foot, her little tiny back paw, just like that. And then to finish up her body, I need to draw her stomach. So in here, you should have a little space between the 2 paws. And the way we're gonna do that is by doing a little curved line. Very good, my friends. All right, so we are going to get into coloring. I'm going to color kind of in a fast speed, but I'm gonna be doing, you're gonna notice some darker grays here and around the ears. I'm gonna do pink little cheeks and a tongue, a black nose, but I'm not gonna color in that bubble, and black eyes. Again, don't color in that bubble. And then the middle part of my koala's belly, I'm gonna make it a little bit of a lighter gray. And then of course, we're going to be drawing our bamboo, and I'm going to do our bamboo in green. I had so much fun drawing this adorable character with you guys today. Okay, my friends, there we have it, this adorable little cute baby koala. You will notice that I put little eyelashes at the edge because I just thought she looked so cute that way. And I absolutely adore drawing this character. I hope you've had a good time drawing with me. I'll see you guys real soon. All right, my little artists, I had so much fun drawing this cute little baby koala with you. I'm sure you guys did an amazing job on your drawing, and I can't wait to draw again with you soon. Comic Kids is a nonprofit helping children in the community learn art through comics, cartoons, and books. To learn more, see our website at comickids.org and follow us on Instagram. For more videos like these, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.